Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. Hello, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to another virtual English lesson. Today we are going to learn some activities that we can do at the beach. Look, this is the beach. Wow, I love to go to the beach with my friends and family. So we're going to start. Look, what are they doing? They are swimming in the sea. At the beach, we can swim. I love the water. I love to play and swim in the water. What are they doing? Swimming in the sea. Say with me, swimming in the sea. Very good. Perfect. Now we can play ball. What is he doing? He's playing ball. Playing ball. Let's repeat. Playing ball. Very good. You got it. Now look, what is he doing? He's snorkeling. Snorkeling. We can snorkel under the sea. What is he doing? He is snorkeling. What are they doing? They are making sandcastles. Sandcastles. We can build big sandcastles at the beach. Sandcastles. Now look at the beach. We can find some fish. This is a fish. This fish has black stripes. Fish. We can find an octopus too. Octopus. Octopus. And we can see a starfish. 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 This is a pink starfish. Very good, boys and girls. See you in the class. We're going to learn more activities that we can do at the beach. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.